It is a lovely day, isn't it? It's me and my burger shop in the beautiful, newly cleaned restaurant that I own and work out by myself. Anyway, hey guys! It is E, and we're in another Roblox video. Today we're playing Cook Burgers. That's the name. What? Did we fall down? Fun. And I land down so late. Okay. Well, we're gonna be cooking some burgers in my really freshly, newly cleaned area. Oh, we need to order more. Let's go get those fresh patties. Open. Open. Ow. Try to be the littlest bit careful. No! Go. Get up. Yeah. Slide. Wee. Slide down the water slide. Did I just see a rat? I think I did. No, it was a cat. Hey, kitty cat. Wait, no, don't leave. I'll be back for you. Hopefully no one's here that is allergic. Actually, no, I want to see that. I hope there is people who are. And don't mind me, if you come here, you can get free 4 patties. But we charge for your free. They're called free 4 patties, but that doesn't mean they're free. Ah! No, I want to come. Take me with you! Well, I'm gonna go get M and R. Well, I'm gonna try to get them, but I'm gonna try my best to get J, because she hasn't really been in these videos. Be right back. She currently unavailable, so. Hey, why won't you open? We need more floor cheese. Don't know what that's about. Anyway. Floor cheese. Boom. Let's go give people some burnt fries. Yeah. Cause we just good like that. Hey, why aren't you coming? This would be much easier with other people. Just don't say that. Oh, our burnt fries still there. Hey. Can I just go put this on a plate and give it to somebody? Push. Sweetie. Yeah, we did. The Dairy Queen checks. Okay, there. I swear if they say it's perfect or something like that, I'm gonna be, do you even know how to cook? You still have to pay for that. You still have to pay for that! Fine, I'll clean the No, I don't want to clean the kitchen. I don't want. It's too perfect. I'll clean the kitchen. I can just order more. Oh! It completely redoes it. Okay, that's nice. I like that. We're gonna put new fries right there. I'll put all of them. Keep them stacking. Super stack. Okay. Oh. What happened? Why was it red like that? Perfect. They perfect. Anything else perfect? No. You perfect? You perfect? No, you're lame. No. No, we're just gonna super cook. Oh. Yeah, we need to rub them on the floor anyway, because If this isn't, we can't rub it on the floor if this isn't, floor burger, but it is, so. Oh, do I just get money every once in a while from there? $46 made from this restaurant. Yeah. That's enough. Okay, you had enough food. You're not welcome back. Aren't I just the nicest? Rat. Oh, rats. Oh, it also cleaned up my beautiful back area. Just gonna keep on ordering fries. You coming? Okay. Oh. Take me with you next time, okay? I'll be in the back. Don't you worry, sir. Why don't you faster? I just crash into there. No one will know. It'll just look about the same. What happened to my pants? Oh, I fried them. Oh, there's 2 of them. I thought there would be 1. Smack. Smack. No smack. Oh, those other ones are probably burnt. Wait. I guess I'm not gonna be taking with you. If they're not. Oh, they're perfect. Oh, except for one of them is. Oh. How is one still not cooked? I guess only one at a time. Is that like superheat mode? Or is that it cooking me? It's it cooking me. Hurry up! Is it really that hard to be fried? You know, normally cooked? I guess I'll just. Wait, no, they probably left. You see, my butt's on fire and I still want to go. Okay, I'll just. Oh, no! Better be cooked by now. What does that star person want? I'll just give you some cold fries. Actually, no. I'll give you some good fries, because that might mean something important. I don't know. Just, we'll put it there. It's like the star thing, a VIP thing. I have no freaking idea. This is, don't worry guys, this is my uniform. Like, these are leggings. Give me your finest burger. This is my finest burger. I mean, sir. Like, what do you expect from me? Should have had some patties cooking. Oh, darn it. It's funny that they don't even care that they're on the floor, though. Like, they're like, be cooked a little bit longer and stuff, but. Alright, sir, you might be important, but I'll give you my finest burger. Wait, oh, your time's almost up. Not like that, like, it's not almost dead, just a little bit longer. No one even gets what I'm saying, though. Let me just cook my butt up real quick. Okay, we good. Is the burger done? It's all good. It's perfecto. Cook stick. You go on the ground. They want my finest burger. Not my floriest. Would have said floriest. They would have got a normal burger. I make the floriest stuff can be. Shh. Oh yeah, I have to pick them first. He probably gone by now. Oh, you're almost done. Okay, let me put my patty. Just go smack. Now put some cheese. I think we're supposed to bring them to the stations. That's not what we do in Flora Burgers. So smack. I have to have a little bit of flour. They ain't being treated special just because they have a freaking star. Oh no! I just need to put the little top on. No! What are you doing? Come on. Come on. He's out, isn't he? Yeah. trying best. There, that's your burger, sir. My finest burger here. You better tip me good. I gave you my finest. It's called the upside down burger. Next time, please do better. They really be giving me $1? Not even a tip. Oh, wait, what is that? Was that dollar the tip? Here, I'll just go give somebody plated lettuce. Wait, does anybody want some fries? I don't have any fries. And see, that didn't fix. Oh, it fixed my legs. Okay, well, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you know when I post a new video. We post a new video. Bye!